Yes, I appetizer, Chris. Fish.
Drop a stick of water in the room, bro. Because this one make a slice. And the back would have slip out. We don't know when we go catch him in the people. A ball I said no one share the food, you know.
Yeah, man, peeps. Night, this, you know. Watch out. I did a simmer run for myself. Couple fish for Chris them. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Beats on loading 99, said speed. Yeah, man. Just stay tuned and check in on one. Yeah, man, a doctor fish this man, people. I don't remember what the fisherman said that one name, but a fish for you them still, you know. Yeah, man, people, stay tuned. There are the beats also on loading 99. Yeah, man, kick in the white Chris face as usual. Not the different. Yeah,
Original beating stick.
yeah, man.
Quick your jump up, boy.
Season them sea creature, you know. This one now, jerk season. Fish season. Yeah, man. You have one black pepper for us, see ka? Black pepper. Watch what go on now. Combine them. Yeah, peeps. Watch what go on now.
Come take your phone. Come on, hold your phone. Come fit.
Come on. Rub it on your belly, you know. She Marco that traumatized when you see fish now, though, Chris. Who indeed it last time.
And that's why you see me also there try to find to do this thing in dumb, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
See it, huh? Yeah, man. Hunger, Chris. Fish not take long, man. I worry about food, but.
Fish are the appetizer.
The appetizer. Yes, I appetizer, Chris. Fish.
Nighttime food.
I gotta escape that business. I gotta escape.
Chris. Chris, fish are female appetizer before eating dinner.
Why?
Yeah, no.
My mother even cook my food. Let's go last. Till later. Till tomorrow. Yo,
Man, make us share that joke.
I saw Philly beat the liquor hard, man.
I ain't going with it.
Yes, sir.
I beat it last night. Yeah, Chris?
A 3/4 didn't know this, and me and Philly sitting over the family.
When? Last night?
I don't remember which night. I must about 3 or 4 nights ago.
Which part over here?
Right, yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
And me now drink no liquor. And by the time I look,
Yeah, peeps.
yo, in the match,
Peter.
oh, that's him coming.
Yeah, man. Well active, man.
Still, man.
Yeah, man. Fish and loading at night, yeah? Check in back when we cut up some season. I feel some ground provision now for the steam fish, you see me? It said time I big up subscriber them. Make a reach 2,000 subscribers at the moment. Yeah, man, just continue going the right thing. Go and hit the subscription button, like, comment and share. Onion. Sweet pepper peeps. Some carrots. Come on, we don't have some punk now, cut the already now. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Reach out and face every time.
Yes, no. Yeah, man. Some okra for your back, you know? Time and scallion. Yeah, man, the sketch back when I cut it up. Yeah, I cut up them thing right now. Knife kind of dull still. Chris one, you know?
Speaking of Chris.
Yo, I tell them the real truth. Bless up on my strong. I love it. I like how the people them reach out and I big me up. I have a great day. A very, I mean, no, so by the time you reach it and reach for the pillow, next thing you know, morning.
So how much dirty shot you can get out of here, Chris?
Get one dirty shot. And drop back one same time.
Never wait.
Oh, they not talk about that. Oh, they not talk about that.
No, man, I know not talk about that. But people thank you. All the people that wish me happy birthday and tune in, respect that. Up.
Bless up.
Buck, man. You kind of hear the nervousness in my voice, no?
You say nervous? You know why you're nervous, man.
You
You know why you're nervous, man. But you're done, go tell the people them say, you have to eat the fish for you before you go eat your dinner.
That you hear.
Like that, man. So you're nervous.
Yo.
Them a go hear it.
Yeah, man.
There you go. Oh, I get dice then.
I go feed dice to play load, man. Man.
There's no need to worry.
Yeah, man.
Go
Sweet
for them
pepper
for
all
now.
works.
And got the table right there, so. Yeah, table there. You could have gone sit on the fire.
It look fiddly.
Coming good, coming on good, coming on good.
Not like the fish pan rock stone, though.
No, you know, me I go retry that though. All on a make mockery about my fish pan rock. Me I go retry this. Me I go regroup, get the right rock, and test this thing again.
Like him never listen.
No,
Yeah, do, man.
that go work.
Cold pot are this.
That good man.
Do with that there.
Me I go regroup, get the right rock,
Try again.
try again. Yeah,
Yeah, man. Just stay tuned, peeps. 'Cause we have a whole heap of upcoming videos, you know. We have
yeah.
some bird hunting with slingshot, some marble game. Shemar don't know none of them things, you know, people. Cause 2000 and about 3 in barn.
What a man
So,
wicked.
Try make you know what Jamaica culture is like. Even though you're born here, it's not from Jamaica. Yeah, man. Irish all works, peeps.
The front there for the poor man to pass. Let's buy a bag of food.
Alright,
You put off some money.
alright.
Corner for this. Hello? Oh. Okay.
Yeah, peeps. How it looks so far. Now don't yet still know what don't move.
Where did ask me?
Yeah, peeps, Chris over here and I'll set the coal pot. Tuning back to over here, so.
Up to my okra then kind of hole.
Yeah? Sure, no, drive, brother. Just now drive, the mechanic come back and look on it. Anytime,
Yeah, no, you know, I forget.
try
Sure, man.
What's that?
Some
come so that each other.
garlic.
Oh, crap.
Take it up, peeps. Yeah, man. Check in again, it again at the pan. Yeah, man, butter go and melt down this up. Yeah, man. You hear that? Yeah, man. The sizzling, the signature sound that you know, people. The sizzling, no? Yeah, man. Steam fish, Jamaican style. Oh, music, my boss. Season it up with a little all-purpose. Throw in some water, you know. Cover it down. Let it cook a bit. Yeah, man. Ketchup back when we are putting fish in these peeps. Yeah, man.
Normal thing this man, no not go like the wood pepper so no say normal.
Yeah, lock up this one. Chris, let's step up on the man.
So she don't come back fast too.
Yeah, Fiddler, check in the pot and see what I want. Yeah, Pete. Pete, I come down, you know. Yeah, man, so we put in the fish them.
I wish them could have smelled the aroma we are get about the pot. Budget, how it smells so far?
Oh gosh, man, you know that.
How it smells so far, Chris?
So might more feet right now.
Right now.
Need it.
The smell full up my belly.
Oh, I finished a local loaded game, yeah?
Yeah, that's a code. 5-3 then. That's go on now. Put the one swim away in this area so fish them. You see me? That's go on. One that peeps. Two that peeps. Water and night for finish steam down, you know. Yeah, peeps. Right, look. Yeah, peeps. Next time you see it, man, the crackers are up on top of it, man. Get mellow. Yeah, man, the crackers time, man. Check in, my boss, and see what I go on. Look. Yeah, man, steam fish and crackers. Yeah, man. Yes, I turn YouTuber, my boss. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, show them a young YouTuber, man. I go on in the you know? Yeah, man.
Part of the C4 visuals entity, you know?
Check in. Yeah, man. Done now, you know? Next time you see it, I dish it there, man. Yeah. This is it, peeps.
Yeah, so guys,
Yeah, man.
so the pot look green.
Yeah, my boss. That is it, you. Yo, I forgot. You want to work at a restaurant, you know, you're going to share some food. That's all, Shamar.
Presentable.
Yeah. A long time you share food.
Yeah, make sure no, if you teach me, I teach you how to do it.
Okay.
That next time you're not fair and ball.
Yeah, so you can't share,
We don't know, I'm going to catch him in the people. A ball I said no one share the food, you know.
So like how you teach me how to share, me I forgot to teach you how to cook.
Don't worry yourself. One little piece left in it, you can make up for it.
Oh gosh, man.
What a go on budgets?
One Martel, man.
One Martel adventure. We'll go check your money himself.
Watch your peep. It's a spoon Chris provide tonight to deal this swim away, but yeah man, it's active still. But here me as a peeps. Finish up this. I'm gonna play back some loading. Yeah man, just catch up on our next epic adventure, you see me? Yeah man. Right, go on now, fiddle. Alright people. 10 out of 10 as usual, man. Flavor them on point, everything just right. It's a linger in essence of the pepper. Everything active, man, I tell you. But that aside, I want to big up to myself. Thank all of the subscribers so far, everybody will tune in. Bless and respect the movement so far, you see me? Reach 2K subscribers and want to make you know so grateful because we couldn't get there without them. So continue tune in, continue to go forward, like, share, comment, subscribe, everything, you know. I'll finish my local Dr. Fisher now still, you see me? Check me out.
Oh, why pan of fish?
Why?
Chris not even get to tell me food taste what touch your plate. Yeah man, plate says it all man. Right, go on my boss.
Real life.